a grouch. What's your problem, Crusty?
Oh, my girlfriend, Lucille Blackbird, left me. Yeah, she broke my heart.
Well, why did she leave you?
I don't know. I took her out for a 7-course meal.
Oh, yeah? What did you have?
1 slice of pizza and a 6-pack.
There, Crusty. Don't you feel better? Come on, gang. Let's all sing him a song. Hit it, Jasper. Pack up all my cares and woes. Here I go, swinging low. Bye, bye, Blackbird. Take it, Crusty.
Where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, so is she. Bye.